Hey everybody, what's up? It's TJ. You guys, I got a package. It's something I ordered from Walmart, and I wanted to tell you guys that I had gotten it for a cheaper price, and it's something that I've noticed with Walmart. It's just too much of a coincidence, and I'll explain as I go. How to get things cheaper is what I mean. This is my box. It's a pretty big box, pretty long. So I've noticed that if you put something in your cart and check out online and it just sits there idle, it'll go on sale. Not food items, I'm talking about like other items. And it's not all of them that will do it. Like for instance, if you're wanting to buy something and there are several different sellers that are selling it, put all of them in your cart and see which one goes on sale. There's something to that. It's happened to me too many times. I had this in my cart at $120 something, and I had put it into save for later, I think, and then I got a notification saying I could save $50 something because it was going on sale. Well, that's when I bought it. Well, right after that, it happened again with another product. I'm just saying. Stick it in your cart and hold on to it for a little bit. See what happens. Not all of them do it, but it's worth the finding out, worth a try. So this is a griddle, y'all. A really long griddle. Wow. Trying to figure out which way is up. Okay. I'm gonna turn it this way. Ain't got enough room on my counter. Get these pieces out of my stinking way. Oh, I'm not happy with the width. I don't know what to do about that. It may work for what I got it for, though. Yeah, I think it will. You guys, I got this mostly for like pancakes and stuff, so I could do multiples at one time. This is almost 3 feet long. Look, I got some little molding. I guess that would be for eggs. That's too small for pancakes, y'all. And the spatulas, yeah, I won't be using those. But the width on this thing is not all that impressive. I love the handles on it. Got the drip tray, instruction manual, your plug, and of course your extras. So just in case you guys are interested in purchasing something like this, you got your drip tray. But let me see. I want to look at the bottom. So that's what the bottom looks like. It's got 6 feet on it. And it's put out by Costway, which I do not know yet if that's a decent brand. Now this is Teflon. Oh, I got a dent. This is Teflon, which I'm not crazy about, but try finding something like this without Teflon. You're not going to find it unless it goes on a campfire. So yeah, I got it to make pancakes on. And this whole thing looks dented. I don't know, maybe I'm just looking at it wrong. So there's a little niche right there. This thing, that feels like it's going down. I'm not real sure. I'd have to get a level out and make sure. Maybe it's just the foot on it. I don't know. This thing is unlevel, Charlie. Or something. Something's wrong. I guess I'll be trying it out when I'm on a day I'm off. I have to work today. Have to be in at 4 o'clock, so playing around with this is not a thing I get to do today. However, I did get another package. Let me go ahead and open it. I'm trying to get things that will help me to eat a little better and healthier. So that's why I got some of the things I got. And I got some more things I'm wanting to buy and just haven't done it yet. I don't need that. So this, get my address off of there, y'all. This is a bread machine. Not anything super expensive or anything like that. You know, I figured I would want to learn how to do it, be familiar with it before I would spend a ton of money on something like this. So I started with something cheap. Of course, it comes from Walmart. And I paid a little over $100 for it. And this was before I realized that things that I put in my cart at Walmart would go on sale if I didn't purchase it right away. And I wish I'd have realized that before I bought this, because I may have could have gotten it cheaper. Because you have multiple sellers, you put all of them in your cart and see which one goes on sale. I don't know. It's a theory. There we go. It's a theory. It's what I think might be going on. Is they have some kind of deal to where if it sits there, you know, they put it on sale to get it moved to sell it to that one person, not everybody. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But anyway, I'm figuring starting out with a cheap one will be good enough. It's a 2-pound bread maker. Heck yeah. Instruction manual. Packaging, which I hate packaging. Good Lord, I hate it. I'm running out of place to put it, y'all. Oh. And this is what it looks like. Now, let me tell you guys what happened to me. I had stopped at this store in town here, and it's they operate it kind of like a thrift store, but it's not a thrift store. What they do is they buy, and I didn't know this. I didn't realize this until after it was too late. they buy pallets and stuff like that of returns. Okay. So I bought one of these, just like this, for $50. Still in the box. It's a no return store, y'all. So I get it home. 2 days later, I open it because I was pressed for time. It took me 2 days to get to it. And the whole board right here was missing. Somebody had pried this open. It was cracked all down the sides. Pried it open and took all the button stuff out. And I'm stuck with it. So I tried to match up what I was buying with what I got screwed with. And so I should now have 2 bread pans. I have 2 kits like this. I have 2 instruction manuals. And I don't know how to use it. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I've never used a bread machine before. But I have 2 of these. So I think this might be a little different from mine. I'm not real sure. Or the one that I had bought. Anyway, so yeah. I'm going to be making bread, y'all. Lord. I'm going to be making bread. Anyway, so that is it. I wanted to show you guys what I got. So you guys will be seeing it in the future in videos. With all that being said and seen, I wanted to talk about the channel a little bit. I changed the name, if you haven't noticed yet, to Good Enough, because that is a phrase that I say quite a bit. My son is working on a new banner for my page. It's going to say something. You guys will like it, I think. I'm still TJ. I don't want anybody calling me Good Enough, okay? Don't call me Good Enough. Call me TJ. It's kind of weird, y'all. Anyway, so yeah, I'm trying to get back in the swing of doing things. We'll see how it mulls over. And you guys, my main reason for changing the name is so that I'm not confined to doing just one thing. I can do multitudes of things. Are you writing me a note? Oh. Oh. What do you want me to say? You want to say it? No? You guys, my son is now making t-shirts. We're going to, after Steven is finished with my banner, we're going to design some stuff. And he's going to put it on t-shirts, and he will be the one selling it instead of like Teespring or something like that. It will go through him. He is, you're going to do a website, right? Eventually. Yeah, eventually. Well, they're going to have a link that they can click on. Yeah. So we're trying to get all things like that worked out. He's doing t-shirts. He wants to do hats, but that's a little more expensive to get into. You know, to be able to do the stuff on it, you have to have an embroidery machine for hats, which is wicked expensive. They start at around $5,000, and I've seen them as high as almost $10,000. Depends on how many colors you can put on there and stuff like that, but he definitely wants to get around to that. I have looked at the mugs, doing the mugs. I don't know if that's something we're going to do. I have to investigate how it works and all that stuff, because I have no idea. And we've thought about tumbling, you know, the tumblers. Tumbling. We're tumbling, y'all. Anyway, so yeah. We're getting back in the swing of things. You guys are going to see me more often, and yeah, everything like that. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Okay? Okay?